So this time it will be mixed, morning and evening will be mixed. We have already selected captains. They will be choosing. So so we have divided the team into two teams. One is called the Greyhound. Okay, so morning one captain, one team will be in Greyhound. The other one is called Black Panther. Right? So these are the two teams, and these captains will be selecting their players from each age group. Alright? One of the queries after 1 year of this contest was, how can a lady contest with the male participants? That's why I said I've got 25 years of experience. I will not make a female client compete with a male client. It's not going to happen. I will not make a 25-year-old compete with a 60-year-old. It's not going to happen. Alright? We understand that everyone has got different fitness goal. Everyone comes with a different fitness level. So that even anyone with the lowest fitness level can participate and win the contest. Okay, that's how it is designed. Alright, so coming back to the contest, this time around the captains will be choosing their players. We have in total how many participants?
As of just now, 178. 182.
Okay, 182 now is. Last year, if you remember, we had given bonus points for team with maximum participants. Now this 182 will be divided into two teams. Nevertheless, this bonus point still there. So we have extended this entry for another 5 days. In these 5 days, whichever teams brings in maximum entry, again they will get a chance to win that bonus point. Okay?
Let's do it this way. We have 182 just now. That makes it 91 each. The first team to touch 100 in the next 3 days, will get a bonus point.
5 days. We are giving 5 days.
Okay, 5 days.
Get in maximum entry. Don't look at the numbers. It can go up to 120 also. Okay? So the maximum bonus point will be given on the maximum number of entries. But this 182, what we have currently got, will be divided into two teams. Then the captain has to bring in more entries to get this bonus point. Alright? So let me tell you why we have planned two teams. Now there were a lot of queries like, why not 4 teams? Why not 5 teams? Why can't it be an individual program? Each one competing with the other instead of having teams. Now in training, there's something known as intrinsic motivation and extrinsic motivation. Motivation, something which is from within. Now when I work out, I don't look at what is the temperature, what is the music being played, who's around me. I am focused on my workout because I've got very good intrinsic motivation. Somebody who doesn't have intrinsic motivation will look out for extrinsic motivation. I'm not saying it's bad or good or bad. I'm saying it's needed. Extrinsic motivation is you need the ideal environment to work out, you need good music to work out, you need good people around to work out. Those are extrinsic motivation. Now when it is a team scenario, you will have extrinsic motivation. You will be encouraging each other to perform. Alright? But somebody like Prashant has got very good intrinsic motivation. He doesn't require. Are we looking at only Prashant? We are looking at generally everyone. We want each other to motivate so that we reach our ultimate fitness goal. Now, nobody will be missed out in this. Everyone can participate and reach their fitness goal. Alright? So these two teams will be competing with each other on various aspects. The first being okay. Next. Okay, now the first contest is called the fit test. Fit test. So there are different components of fitness. How will you gauge somebody is fit or not? So there are 5 components. We are taking 4 components into consideration. That is muscular fitness, which has got muscular strength and muscular endurance, cardiorespiratory endurance, flexibility, and the fourth component is balance and stability. So each one will be tested on these aspects, these components. Alright? Now this is a mandatory event. If at all your team is participating, if you have got 100 entries and only 90 is participating, whereas the evening people have got 95 entries who didn't get a bonus point because of maximum entries. Now those people stand still, they can win a bonus point here. If they are participating, 95 people are participating in this fit test, they stand a chance to win the bonus point. Okay? Now this is a mandatory event. Everyone will have to participate in this. People who are participating for weight loss challenge also, people who are participating in powerlifting also, functional training also, they all have to participate this to be considered in the other events. Alright? So these are the four parameters on which you will be tested. The second one is called the biggest loser. It's a weight loss challenge like we had last time. This time around there will be some changes. The changes, or we can say it will be a little more stricter. The captains will have to choose their numbers. Okay, we'll fix up a number. They will have to choose, because last time what we had was everyone trying to get into this biggest loser program. We don't want that. We want captains to identify which person has got maximum scope to lose weight as well as fat percentage. Now if weight was the only factor, then somebody will do only cardiovascular exercise and it's very easy to lose weight. Now your team can gain more points if your participants are losing more fat percentage than weight. Okay, so fat loss carries more marks than weight loss. Alright, so that's how it is designed. Again, this is an individual contest and a team contest. So there will be individual winner. Whoever wins the maximum points in terms of losing maximum weight and fat percentage will be individual winner. Then the team, the total amount of weight loss and fat loss will be considered, and there will be a team winner also. So there can be biggest loser, team winner and individual winners. Then there is functionally fit. I think that was the most happening. There were some issues, right? Bhavna didn't get because of the counting issues. Okay, she was at the top, but then somebody, there were some issues with the counting. This time around, there won't be any kind of partiality or we were not giving any scope for any kind of partialities because we are getting people from outside. Did anyone face last year problem in powerlifting in terms of cheating or partiality? I don't think so, because they were professional powerlifters who had come and judged you guys. Yeah? So this time around, for all the events, we will have people coming from outside. Nobody from the staff will be helping you out or judging you. Alright, now the two events which I spoke about, that is fit test and functionally fit. The last one is strongest. Strongest is a powerlifting one. So in all we have got 4 different contests. One is fit test, biggest loser, functionally fit and strongest. Alright, which is the mandatory? Fit test is the mandatory one. Rest all the captains can decide. Powerlifting also the captains will decide how many people will be participating. Same as biggest loser. The captains will decide these are the people who will be participating in biggest loser. Not everyone will be allowed to participate in these 2 events. Right? Because that stretch powerlifting I think went for too long.
That's why we got 2 chances, right? The bench press?
Correct. And the party also got delayed. Not everyone got loose. Alright, next. Okay, now when we are starting with biggest loser, on the day 1, that is on Monday, we will have the weigh-in. Okay, weighing in will happen on Monday from morning to evening.
8 a.m.
8 a.m.
to evening 9 p.m. So all the captains need to understand, whosoever have participated in the losers challenge, right? Those people have to come in for their weigh-in on day 1. Your initial weight and your body composition analysis are very much important. Because last year what happened, people didn't come in for day 1 of weighing in, and they just came in on day 3, now we want to participate. Yes, Keval?
Can you do that for like maybe or spread out over 2 days, because there are people who like this is the only day I can watch.
Yeah, because the BCA machine needs to come in and we can actually on day for the entire day. We cannot get it now like what we got for last time.
But he's right.
So now my question to you is, if you want to take another 2-3 days and decide your weighing wants to start on Wednesday, let us know by tomorrow.
Manita,
We are there.
what Monday is a long
Do we
weekend.
have a committee member here? Okay, then we can openly say this. Push your committee guys to install a BCA machine here. Okay?
See, Monday might be a holiday because
That's
of
right. So a
yeah.
lot of people are traveling.
Exactly. So maybe tomorrow once the captains sit with the committee and decide, you can decide which day you want to start with the weighing. Again remember, your finale will be on that particular day only. So your time for 4 weeks gets reduced. Right? So whichever day you want, if not Monday, then Wednesday. If you want, we can have it on Wednesday also, because you're getting 5 days extension to take the extra
But
memory.
you give me 1 day.
One day, initially only 1 day for your first weigh. Let's
So
just be strict.
the problem is, what we are facing is, the company is giving the machine only for 3 days. So we have placed it on day 1, in between, after 15 days, and end of the month. 3 days we have
So
placed
we'll
it.
fix one date, yeah. We have to communicate to all the 180 people. We'll fix one date for the BCA.
So that also depends on the total number of contestants they are having for losers challenge.
Monday give it a shot.
Ayodhya क्या नहीं?
Keep it for Tuesday.
I think Tuesday is a better
One
day.
thing we want us to work out. We'll look into that, but
Yeah, but
presently,
for now, let's
now,
fix up a date.
let's just use their machine. We'll look at it in the next year. Let's see the response. Once you cross 450 next year, then we'll do it. Because by the time Prashant is going to be funding the,
Hence we have made age
at
category.
the BCA.
Age category is 15 to 25. Just go to age category. Okay, 15 to 25, 26 to 35, 36 to 45, 46 to 55, 56 to 65, 65 plus. Now you will not decide which category you are in, you will only put your date of birth. We will tell you which category you are in. Alright? This is the only area where people want to compete in upper age category. Otherwise you always tell your age lesser, no? Than what it
So
is.
you tell the age, where how do you define that age category?
So if you are say 20,
5 years.
6 plus 6 months, you will go into 26 plus 35. Okay, 26 to 35. 6 month ka, we are giving that buffer.
So if you are 25 years and 7 months, you go into the 26 category, not in the 25 category. Likewise, if you are 25 years and 5 months or 6 months, you go into the 25.
Previous age gap. Alright? So
That's how you're going to be segregated.
Because that will come only when the segregation will happen between 25 to 26 and the 35, those ending years. Because people do come up, and please don't change your date of birth. You've seen last time people have changed the date of birth, and you say, no, I was not born on this year, I was born on that year, and now I put in this
But
category.
this time around we have procured the data from the system.
Yeah, the data is right
So
here.
your date of birth is registered with the club, so you all can't fudge that.
Okay? So
Last year we had people fudging it.
Go ahead. So,
As of today, the 6 months.
BCA,
as of today,
As of today.
yes.
at the start of the contest and not at the end of the contest.
And
Okay?
there will be only 2-3 people on
Yeah.
that. So don't worry about that.
We'll take a party from them.
Yeah.
Then they will go in some other age. Alright, so this age category is for fittest and functionally fit. Age category is for fittest and functionally fit. Now there will be individual winners in each age category, there will be individual winner for best cardiovascular performance, individual winner in, strongest in that group, muscular endurance, best flexibility, best balance. Okay, Bhavna and I think Shetty, they were standing for more than 10 minutes on
I
one
stood
leg.
for 14 minutes. Hello.
You did.
Stop this.
So that is,
Ashok Shetty sir, yeah.
Okay, it won't happen like last time. Last time even my guys goofed up or they were partial. Now if you are standing on one leg, even this is considered as out. Somebody was doing Jai Jai Shiv Shankar. They were dancing and the time was counted.
You are
That won't
dancing
happen
or
this
not?
time around. Alright? So this time it will be very strict since the judges will be coming from outside. Now there will be individual winner in each category also within fit test. Functionally fit, overall winner in age category. Now why do you have to be winner and why your team's people's average should go up is because average will also carry marks and that will help you win the overall contest. For example, when you are starting, somebody is not very good with their strength. If you work on their strength goes up and each category the points will go up because the average is on the higher side. So the captain will have to make sure even the person at the lowest level has to improve their fitness level so that their aggregate goes up and then the point will go up. Then there are better chance of winning the contest. Alright? Because it's a 1 month thing, you have enough time to perform, practice and become better version of yourself. Alright? It's not a 1 day contest. Don't come on the finale and say that I didn't see any improvement. This is starting and there's 1 month's time to improve yourself. Okay, these are the points. Now, I will run through the captains, this point system, how it works. You don't have to worry about this. You don't have to worry whether there's any kind of partiality happening here or not because it's a foolproof system. Okay? We are not biased towards anyone. The trainers can be, but we will not be. Okay? So the morning team, the Greyhound will have grey t-shirt and the Black Panthers will have black t-shirt sponsored by Technogen. Alright? These are the 2 colors. And we as officials are getting both the colors t-shirts. So once I will be wearing grey, not you. You have to decide.
no, I have to decide which team takes me.
Okay, this I'll share with the captain and this slide will be shared with the captain.
Next. Next.
So there may be some changes in the the context. Biggest loser, like we have mentioned, 500 grams, weight loss 1.5%. You will see higher points when you are losing fat percentage. Okay, you get 2 points.
So next.
We will have a nutritionist coming in on alternate days. Now there will be a nutritionist who will be for the Greyhound and one nutritionist for Black Panther. So they will have their respective nutritionists.
Each team will have their own nutritionist. Morning, evening, whenever.
Functionally fit is the most happening, I think. Everyone enjoyed functionally fit last time around?
Yeah. We need to get the tires out now then.
Sorry?
Our committee member is here.
Functionally fit. Who all enjoyed functionally fit? Nobody.
We all enjoyed. Okay.
Newcomers. Okay. Now, see, we had last time we had burpees, tire flip, sandbag transfer, farmer's walk, dead hand, battle rope, shuttle sprint. we may change it slightly. We don't want you to practice. Why, please? You didn't like it. That's not the reason why we will change it. Alright? We don't want you to practice in one aspect and expertise in that. We want you to, improve your fitness level overall. Alright, next. Again, the age category will be there in this also. Powerlifting,
Will there be a weight category?
No.
Which one?
Age category, not weight category.
functionally fit, age category, not weight category.
Even
Powerlifting, very good question. Lot of people had doubt last time. How will it be? Last time we used a formula called Wilks formula, which is based on body weight. Okay? How much weight you are lifting according to your body weight. Along with that, we will also have one more criteria, that is age criteria into that. Now 25-year-old who's weighing 75 kgs competing with a 60-year-old weighing 75 kgs, will be a vast difference in strength, right? So there will be weight as well as age taken into consideration when we are judging people for powerlifting or strongest. Okay? So it will be a fair contest. I think Ashok missed it by a slim margin. Huh? He was really good in powerlifting.
Next.
Alright.
I didn't change it.
Huh?
I didn't change it.
Alright. Now, there will be a lot of fun activities also. The captains will have to decide. We will have arm wrestling here.
Arm wrestling.
Keval, arm wrestling here. Okay?
On the finals.
And tug of war. The captains will select people for this again. Tug of war, you can have two teams. Okay, so Greyhound will have two teams, Black Panthers will have two teams, and they will be competing. Now this team should have male and female contestants both participating in one team. So the captains will have to figure out. So arm wrestling, and we have tug of war. Any other fun activity you can think of? Now there was one more request from all the members that they wanted to see their trainers also competing with each other. How many of you want to see the trainers also slogging it out, grinding it out?
Yes.
Everyone.
Yes.
Their point should be better than the members, right? We have to lead by example, so their points also gets added into the team points. So the trainers will be again divided into two teams, grey and black.
Greyhounds and Black Panthers.
Say for example, if we have 5 trainers in the morning and 5 in the evening, morning, three trainers will go in the grey team, 2 will go in the black, and the evening 3 will go in the black and 2 will be in the grey. Okay, this time it's not morning, evening, it is team wise. So somebody who comes in the morning, if they are in the grey team and the captain is coming in the evening, they still have some trainers to attend to them. Alright? There is a slight bit of chance of your trainer being in the opposite team if you have taken personal training. Yeah?
That doesn't matter.
Don't change your trainer. Check with your captain, see how you can work it out. I'm sure the trainer will not be so, dumb not to understand that finally it's your client more than team. Okay? I'm sure they will help you. So their points will also be accrued in the team point. So there will be equal number of staff also participating with you. Their event will be a smaller one. Maybe we'll have a powerlifting. I don't think powerlifting is the ideal one. I think something which